Tesla has been expanding rapidly in China since entering the market and establishing its EV factory. Now, another major project, China's first Tesla energy storage Megafactory, has been completed as of December 2024. This massive facility, with a total investment of approximately 1.45 billion yuan, which is around 200 million US dollars, and covering 200,000 square meters, was built in just 7 months. Once again, Tesla has demonstrated its signature Shanghai speed, astonishing the world. The factory is expected to officially begin operations with an inauguration ceremony on February 11, 2025. But after hearing this news, you might be wondering, if a region already has a stable power supply, why do we need to store electricity? What are the benefits and the necessity of energy storage? Okay, that's today's topic. Let's break it down. To understand this, let's look at a simple example. Electricity is essential in our daily lives for lighting, household appliances, and industrial use. During the day, energy consumption is at its peak because most people are active. Factories are running, offices are open, and households are using appliances. But at night, electricity continues to flow through the grid while demand significantly drops, leading to waste. Now imagine if we had a storage system that could store excess electricity generated at night and release it when demand surges during the day. This would greatly reduce energy waste and improve efficiency. But this is just one application of energy storage. From a broader perspective, energy storage technology can balance supply and demand, improve energy efficiency, stabilize the power grid, promote renewable energy adoption, meet diverse energy needs. Let's zoom out promoting renewable energy adoption and dig it deeper. Renewable energy is a key to sustainable development. However, sources like solar and wind power come with significant challenges. Solar power depends on sunlight and can only generate electricity during the day. On cloudy or rainy days, its efficiency drops greatly. Wind power relies on wind speed and stability, making it unpredictable. Sometimes there's too much wind, other times too little. This is where energy storage comes in. A storage system can store excess electricity when solar or wind power generation is high and release it when production drops. This process, called peak shaving and valley filling, ensures a steady energy supply regardless of weather conditions or time of day. From a technical perspective, energy storage can be classified into physical storage, chemical storage, electromagnetic storage. Among these, chemical storage is the most common. Lithium iron phosphate batteries used in electric vehicles belong to this category. From an application perspective, energy storage is categorized into power generation side, grid side, user side. Additionally, in terms of scale, energy storage solutions can be classified as large-scale storage, distributed storage, small-scale storage. The first batch of products from Tesla's Shanghai energy storage Megafactory is its Megapack, a large-scale commercial energy storage system. Megapack is Tesla's flagship energy storage solution, pre-assembled and tested in the factory before deployment. Each unit includes battery modules, bidirectional inverters, temperature management system, AC main current breaker control unit. Users do not need to assemble anything, just connect the Megapack's AC output to their system, and it's ready to use. Tesla has now fully upgraded Megapacks to use lithium iron phosphate batteries. So now, single Megapack capacity is 3.9 megawatt-hours. Inverter capacity is 1.5 megawatt. A single Megapack can support 3,600 households for 1 hour. Since its launch in July 2019, Megapack has been deployed in major projects worldwide. Currently, a single Megapack in the US costs around $1 million, excluding tax and installation. With Tesla's Shanghai factory now producing Megapacks, costs are expected to drop, making large-scale energy storage more affordable. Tesla also plans to produce its home energy storage Powerwall and a small commercial storage Powerpack in Shanghai factory. Despite its potential, energy storage still faces several challenges. For example, high development and production costs, low profitability due to simple peak value pricing business models, lack of standardization, and regulatory hurdles. Although storage technology costs are gradually decreasing, the initial investment, operational maintenance, and battery lifespan still limit profitability. However, if cost efficiency improves, higher returns will naturally attract market-driven solutions to challenges like safety regulations and standardization. Tesla's new Shanghai Megafactory is a major milestone in the global energy transition. With advancements in storage technology, the widespread adoption of renewable energy is becoming a reality. We look forward to seeing how Tesla's energy storage innovations will reshape the industry and accelerate the shift to sustainable energy. What do you think? Will energy storage be as big as EVs? Let us know in the comments.